Hello, LaSalle. I'm Nicholas Milan.
I'm Nicole Spirito,
and welcome to WLSA. We hope this week of distance learning has been productive for everyone.
Let's send it off to Emilia with another delicious recipe from Quarantine Kitchen.
What's up, LaSalle? I'm Emilia, and welcome back to Quarantine Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some donuts, so go wash your hands and let's get cooking. First, bring the water, butter, and sugar to a boil, then lower the heat and mix in the flour. Use an electric mixer to beat in the eggs and preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Fill a piping bag with the dough and pipe out circles that are 2 inches apart. Bake for 5 minutes, then reduce the heat to 350 degrees. Bake for 15 more minutes, then turn off the oven, keep the door slightly open, and leave the donuts in for 5 more minutes. Mix the powdered sugar, vanilla, and milk together to make a glaze, and then spread it on the donuts once they cool down. You can also add sprinkles or other decorations. That's it for today on Quarantine Kitchen. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Emilia. This recipe will definitely replace our cravings for the Dunkin' Donuts on Smith Street.
Now, let's take a look at a submission for the Governor's Reading Challenge from 2 of our WLSA staff, Meg and Emilia.
Hey everyone, I'm Emilia.
And I'm Meg, and today we're going to be reading a poem called Living Slow by John O'Donohue as a part of the Governor's Reading Challenge and for April, which is National Poetry Month.
This is the time to be slow.
Lie low to the wall until the bitter weather passes.
Try as best you can not to let the wire brush of doubt scrape from your heart all sense of yourself and your hesitant light.
If you remain generous, time will come good, and you will find your feet again on the fresh pastures of promise, where the air will be kind and blushed with beginning.
We hope you enjoyed the poem, and be sure to send a video of yourself reading a poem to @WLSA_official on Instagram.
Back to you guys.
Thanks, Meg and Emilia.
Now let's send it off to Matt and Charlie.
Hi, I'm Charlie.
And I'm Matt.
And welcome to the greatest segment in WLSA history, Quorn Tips. Now, week 1 is all about staying fit during quarantine.
I like to remain active during quarantine by playing sports such as basketball. I've been using this time to perfect my skills on the court, and here are some of my highlights. I understand that this video may intimidate some of you, but it's okay. I encourage you to practice anyway. With enough practice, maybe, just maybe, you'll have a shot like mine. Let's pass it off to Charlie. See how he's staying active during quarantine.
Alright, I'm no Sports Center top 10 like Matt over there, but I thought I'd just go for a nice stroll around the neighborhood, take in some of this beautiful weather we've been having. So, starting out, leaving the house at a nice brisk pace, keeping a good tempo all the way down the street, and then that is right about where I run out of energy, a personal best, a good 15 feet. Well, that's our tip for this week.
Back to you guys.
Thanks, guys.
We are sure by now that you have all heard the news that Governor Gina Raimondo has suspended the return to in-person school and has declared that all schools in Rhode Island will continue distance learning to the conclusion of the school year in June.
To our fellow students, we know you're upset, and we know you're hurting because we are hurting too. Although it isn't the best thing, it's the right thing, and we have to keep pushing through the hard times and not let this define us as a generation.
We appreciate and thank all of our incredible faculty and staff who have eased our transitions into distance learning and have made it easier to fall into this new routine as it is foreign for all of us. We encourage you to reach out to any of your teachers and deans if you have any questions. Remember to stay safe, be responsible, and stay positive, LaSalle.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
From everyone here at WLSA, I'm Nicholas Milan.
I'm Nicole Spirito.
Have a great day.
And a better tomorrow.